Nnamdi Kanu wasn't kept in solitary confinement. DSS official tells court. My dear listeners, from wherever you're listening from, it is another interesting news that seems like a confession coming from the DSS official, telling the court that Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB, wasn't kept in solitary confinement. My dear listeners, let's move down to the full details. Kindly please ensure you like, subscribe to this channel and share. An official of the Department of State Services DSS says Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB, was not kept in solitary confinement. The DSS official, identified as BBB, was cross-examined on Wednesday at the ongoing trial of Kanu at the Federal High Court in Abuja. Kanu is currently facing trial at a Federal High Court in Abuja on a 7-count charge bordering on terrorism and treasonable felony. The IPOB leader has since pleaded not guilty to the charges. Kanu has been in DSS custody since he was rearrested in Kenya and extradited to Nigeria in 2021. The witness had previously told the court that he was part of the investigation team that obtained Kanu's statement in July 2021. At the resumption of hearing on Wednesday, the witness was cross-examined by Kanu Agabi, counsel to the IPOB leader and a former Attorney General of the Federation. According to Nan, the witness said the video recording of the interrogation session with Kanu, in which he participated on July 17, 2021, was a true reflection of what transpired during the encounter. He rejected Agabi's suggestion that the video was not a complete reflection of what happened because it only showed the defendant and his 2 lawyers. When asked why the DSS was keeping the IPOB leader in solitary confinement, the official said the agency does not subject individuals to such cruel and inhumane treatment. The witness rejected Agabi's claim that Kanu's locked detention had caused him psychological damage, saying he was not familiar with the defendant's history of long detention. Asked if Kanu had become an angry, frustrated and unhappy man because of his prolonged detention, the witness said the defendant did not exhibit such traits when he appeared before them on July 17, 2021. He also denied knowledge about why the prosecution amended the charge against Kanu many times. The witness rejected Agabi's suggestion that the AGF foisted conclusion on the DSS in his letter, which informed why no investigation was conducted by the DSS. Asked if he was aware that Southwest governors came together to form the Amotekun security outfit, the witness responded in affirmation. He asked whether the AGF wrote the DSS to investigate the formation of Amotekun. The witness said he is not privy to all the letters sent to DSS. Afterwards, the former AGF sought an adjournment to enable him retrieve some documents from the police. Adegboyega Womolo, counsel to the federal government, opposed the defense request for adjournment, arguing that it was unmerited and a way to delay the trial. James Omotosho, the trial judge, granted the adjournment request, adding that Kanu is entitled to be afforded sufficient time and facilities to prepare for his defense. The trial was adjourned to May 21 and May 22. Earlier in the proceedings, Awomolo tendered a document through the witness. The document was described as the death certificate of Ahmed Gulak, ex-senior special advisor to former President Goodluck Jonathan on political affairs. The witness had told the court that Kanu's broadcast on Radio Biafra led to the killing of Gulak on May 30, 2021 in Imo State. The document was admitted as exhibit in the absence of any objection from the defense. My dear listeners, from wherever you're listening from,